Hello. Today I'm going to be trying on a pair of LoveSeen lashes. I've never in my life tried on a pair of fake lashes before, so this is going to be quite the journey. So down below I have lashes, of course. I have glue, I have tweezers, and I have a mirror. And I hope that's all that I need. We'll see. Here we go. Let's reveal the lash, shall we?
Incredible, amazing, show-stopping.
I love it. She's dramatic. Oh, beautiful. Gorgessa. I'm gonna take my tweezer and just gently remove her from the case. Cute. I heard through the grapevine that you're supposed to wiggle it.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I'm gonna take my Miss Glue here. Ooh, that looked weird. And lightly stroke the lash. Great. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Okay, I'm gonna go down and up. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm stressed. Okay, wait, maybe this is it. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. Okay. We have some traction.
Okay.
Hey, I just met you.
This is crazy.
Whoa. I feel magnificent. Okay, so you can see this lash not being on the lash line like it ought to be. But for a first go, like, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, let's try the next one. I'm a pro. She's a pro. I'm going to just coat her with some glue. First of all, look at the drama. Look at the scene she's causing. It's like this is a housewives reunion and she just threw a glass of wine in someone's face. Oops. Here we go. I heard that there's only two types of bitches in this world. A basic bitch and a bad bitch. And after I get these lashes on, you can guess who I am. Bad bitch. Yeah, there's not much else to say, honestly. Ooh, the flossy. And that's on period. Sis, arrivederci.